Hey everyone, it's Jack Cookie again, back with another 1/500 scale airliner review. Today we're going to be looking at the Angola Airlines Boeing 707 and the L-100. This is a special edition set made for Aviation Center Berlin. These planes only came in this 2-pack. And there was a limited edition of 1,000. On the back it's got the number of which one it is. We'll see that in a minute. But I'm going to try and tackle 2 planes here at once. So take a look there. So here we go. Side view there. It does say cargo set. I know the flap's open, that's on purpose. Of course, it says Aviation Center Berlin. There we go, finally decided to focus. Number 426 out of 1,000 sets. And that's pretty much it for that. Well, they'll be safe. They're in their little trays. There is the telling you guys I really need to get a tripod. Anyway, I'll do that. Throw that over there. And save a little time. We'll go ahead and take the L-100-30 out of the package, place it over there, and we'll deal with this one first. And here we go with the Herpa TAAG Angola Airlines Boeing 707-349F, F for freighter. The stock number is 513715. This was released in 2004, discontinued in 2004. As mentioned before, it's a limited production of 1,000 units. It's one of 2 planes in the set, and it is in the 1980s colors. It has the registration of D2-TAC and is powered by 4 JT3D-B engines. And even though I got this in the mail the other day, I actually didn't open it until just now, so this is the first time I've looked at it. I normally don't wait, but just had other things to do. I kind of just put it up on the review table here. The tail and the stabilizers are plastic. I felt those when I was just fiddling around with it. The detail to the engines there. Does have that cargo door right there. Has the Angolan flag. Angolan Airways or Airlines. I really like that logo on there. That's pretty cool. I think this is isn't this the first 707 I've reviewed? Yeah, I do actually have a fair amount of them. You see there, it does have the registration on the wing. And flip this one over. Oh, and it has that little antenna there on the tail. But regular stuff. It's got the cargo door there. Cargo there. Gears are plastic. A nice detail to the center of the fuselage there. You can see the landing gear doors. And one thing of note is that even though it's a cargo plane, it does still have the passenger windows on it. But that pretty much does it for this one. It's a real nice plane. It'd be cool putting it up on the in my cargo area there. And let's see, the next one is the fastest plane ever built. Kidding? Because I know somebody will say in the comment section, that's not the fastest plane ever built. It's like, okay, get a sense of humor. It's not. I was just joking. I already had somebody email me because I made a joke about, what was it, about, yeah, on the belly of the real plane, or whatever plane it was I was reviewing. They said, oh, you said that it was unrealistic that they put Herpa on there because it's not on the real plane. It's like, well, yeah, that's, I hate to call that person stupid, but yeah, they were being kind of stupid. It's like, get a sense of humor. It's like, what country are you from? They're probably from one of those countries where they don't have a sense of humor. And if anybody can name the country with no sense of humor, let me know. But anyway, I'll probably get hate mail for saying that. Hey, I didn't say a country in particular. But anyway, back to the review. This is the Herpa TAAG Angola Airlines L-100-30. Again, the stock number is 513715. Same thing, released 2004, limited to 1,000 pieces, 1980s colors. And the only different stuff here is the registration, which is D2-THA, and the engines are 4AN501-D22As. It's obviously a prop plane. This is the first time I'm doing this, so hopefully it doesn't break off. Yeah, there we go. It looks like they're angled in such a way to where if I blow on them, it'll turn. But there we go. Basically, the civilian version of the military's Lockheed C-130. I do have a few more of these planes that I would like to review. I tried to do the one on the Delta version of this, but for some odd reason I just couldn't get the camera to focus on it, and I gave up and filmed something else for the channel. Real nice view there. And let's see what we have here. Underside. The tail and the wings are metal, or at least the no, I lied. It's not. Tail and the stabilizers are plastic. That's probably what, if you hear that little crack, that's what it was. I didn't break it though. I like the way they did those landing gear doors. That's cool. The only thing I think should be on here is right here should be a hatch, like a ramp, or a door that lowers, turns into a ramp, or functions as a ramp. But that's pretty much it. Camera's about to run out of battery power. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to rate and subscribe. And don't forget to put a like in there. And there they are. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Later, guys.